What we offer are products that last the test of time, products that makes you happy, makes the family happy. Our mission is to put our clients' interests above ours and deliver the highest quality, efficient and cost-effective products to our numerous customers through renewable energy processes while adhering to world standard. We guarantee a long-term relationship with this product than that of your side chick, which is temporal. The future is what I bring to your doorsteps. I am the bridge that links you to the future. My name is Francis Alkali. I am your plug.